For some reason, this drone has a controller that is bigger than itself.
Make sure not to step on my drone.
Bro's gonna strap on the drone. All right, let's see.
Bro.
You're gonna kill everyone. Bruh, I can barely see it. Is it coming towards me? Yeah! I wonder what happens when you eat a frog. Hey yo, why is it looking at me? Whoa. Bro, you're about to make the drone's collision. Yes, it's a drone. Bro, it fell!
$100 drone versus $10 drone. I don't mind.
Ooh, new Mr. Beast video.
Just, you know, the cheap one's mine, so that's why I keep crashing it and destroying it.
Look at this absolute cinema.
You can't even see it on the camera.
He's running over to get it.
Ah! What? Huh?
Bro's trying to make collision. Clip. Oh! Whoa, that was close. Ah!
So hard to steer this thing.
It's so small. This man is enjoying flying his drone today. What happens next? What?
Airstrike!
You just dropped the drone on it. This man is gonna run into the drone. He just doesn't know it yet.
Yeah, you have no buns.
Aiden, what was that?
It's not very happy in the grass, is it?
No. Oh. Up. You must improve your steering skills. Bro, I hope it doesn't fall on us.
Bro, I can't get it to steer that way. Finger cutters.
Bruh, finger cutters. Imagine using drones for cutting cucumbers. Bro, you just made the drone fall again.
Did we cut goose tooth last time, I think?
Huh? You cut what?
Oh yeah, we did.
Alright, I definitely don't want to touch those drones now. How many frogs will you fit in your mouth? Fit in your mouth, fit in your mouth. How many frogs will fit in your mouth? Oh yes, you're gonna get fat. You know what happens when you mix drones and cucumbers? Bruh, that one always keeps falling to the ground.
I just can't get it to go that way. See, that music sounds like
That's not supposed to be. It's about to hit the towers. No!